manje ngoba thina saboqala zive asisabantu abayipilikazi, we deal with facts.
I remember there's one comrade le-ANC bakasibana i-PCO azibhakele bam-hijack and everyone was asking bamshaya imoto nini imoto itholakala kuphi bamdubulile ushonile and we said bafethu.
We had an oversupply of guns.
I feel ukuthi government is not doing enough in terms of fighting this thing and making sure ukuthi the crime yayehla because of njengoba sihleli so kunosambodi abam-hijackayo, somebody am-transfer imali.
It's because the system now somehow it's flawed, it's rotten to the core.
We had a meeting, said bafethu man, this thing may pay. We cannot just into ama-drugs yekele so. And went and do door to door kubantu abathengisa ama-drugs just to tell them, bafethu siya-understand anisebenzi kwenzakalani, but can you stop that because of this thing lezi zibulala abantwana bethu, zibulala izindlu zasemakhaya, zibulala ama-families, abantu baluza imisebenzi because of, and abanye bezwe ukuthi silambile senzani, makulamba kwakho limaza thina.
Ngoba ukhale nge-corruption. What if the corruption works against you and Xolani? Ngoba ngempela kuthiwa vele ninecala. Are you sure that no we are?
Yeah, no, I'm 110% sure ukuthi I was not part of whatever that is saying. Yes, but on the operation there's corner and then somebody amaphoyisa. Yeah, that I can tell you on the record. And he resigned emsebenzini. But azange understand why he resigned emsebenzini. All to find out with my brother sakathatha ama-drugs. And when I look at him, mangilandelela uthengisa indlu nge-9,000.
The very same guns zikudene ezisipana. Otherwise, I'm worried about the guns ezithwala yonke into because everyone now has a rifle. You get what?
But what we are saying, it is true because of now. Everyone now want ukuthenga isibhamu and everyone makafeel ukuthi akafuni ulandela umthetho uthatha zonke feels ukuthi akahamba uvule organization yakhe. Then makavule organization yakhe somehow iyaqala manje ba-gangsterism.
And we have ama-commissions angapheli about cartels that have taken over the purse of the state and they are literally running impilo zama-politicians.
And bana nento ukuthi if we waboshwa you are not allowed ukusebenza namaphoyisa because of a criminal record. But remember uhambile wagwetshwa for lento yenzile so ubuyile manje, you wanted to help because of you understand the system, you understand izinto ama-criminals azenzayo, but now bona ezamaphoyisa don't say but when on a criminal record therefore awukwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukufaka within the system. Now kusho ukuthi the system esiphila kuyo ayisivumeli ukuthi sikwazi ukulwisana ne-crime and sikwazi ukuhlangana namaphoyisa because of the system.
Lento akusiyinto nje sikhuluma ngegani, kani yabulala igani yalimaza.
If mina ngenza into right and ngomngane lo muntu ongimbopha kumngane wephoyisa, iphoyisa livalela mina, mara I'm doing the right thing. Mara if ngibamba isigebengu ngidala semfuna ephoyisa because maningi amaphoyisa abanceda ngegebengu ashela ukuthi kusinesigebengu esisoso sesifunayo sivele simlandele nasimbele naphila then ushayela izandla, mara le days bamba wakho umuntu akashayela izandla usifaka ama-handcuffed.
These people angeke ubathole baphethe ama-gun visibly so isinoma kanjani. So what if the feeling now is you intimidate people? Why the guns 99?
That is why namhlanje ngibona ngicela into ze-security because of siyabona manje a lot of people now we starting having our own securities ukuthi isibhamu kumele siphatheka so kumele kwenzakaleni, but i-challenge esinayo ukuthi people out there, these criminals uzothi uyangena ngesikhathi. I remember one of our member bakasebuhle park makathi ongenela ilentuzane any drug dealer akhipha isibhamu edubula since yabaleka ngesikhathi leso again umthetho awuvuma ukuthi ushiye irifle emotweni uphume ngokuthi uyaphuma ushiye irifle bagijimisa. And remember thina singeni ngama-shift ukuthi kungena ubani namhlanje sihamba sesitradini and sesinama enemies within ama-criminals ukuthi anytime angavela ngisho komanda amandla nabo amdubulile angaphethanga irifle aku-security company azambele. So everyone is fear for his life now and I'm having something that is going to protect me ngibekile endlini and the criminals are using into ezi-wrong bahambe estradini. Kunalaba yakhona kwenye tavern bafike baswapping ekhadi lakho bona umnikazi tavern thatha 50% bona thatha 50% khona apha sithola nge-rifle. Masithola nge-rifle silithathe i-rifle ngoba sisezonke simshiye zonke police stage. Ekuseni masivuka akusena rifle police stage. Haba fix sifuna case number ngasikade leso bese ngajoin into ukuthi masikade uthola umuntu ama-SAP 13 14 and stuff. Hawu akusena rifle kanjani bafethu ngoba sineshow umuntu evidence nalo muntu ungaphandle bafethu ngithini umuntu esimthole nge-rifle right handed. Lucky enough we have pictures and stuff, siphethe information, thatha that information ngiye crime intelligence eGermiston bafethu sine challenge na information yonke iphelele and police that are involved amagama abonaba la 1 2 3 kuma police station abatshela amayigebengu ukuthi ningaphumi ngapha amaphoyisa kwenzakalani siyayishiya le information bazobuya kithi till today sabuya kithi.
Siwazi kahle you went nawe ufika kwenye indawo usalwisa into gender based nagupha isikali kwatholakala amathambo omuntu eminyango laphana yonke lenyakanyaka.
Within 3 minutes ngibuya sengitshela ukuthi nginelungelo lokuthi ngitholelwe lami sengiyaboshwa ngiboshelana bathi mina ngizibize ngephoyisa hey namhlo ngithi mfethu ngizibiza ngephoyisa kanjani ngeze police station ngizibize ngephoyisa ngiyahlanya mina and ngithi ngize ngani kanti lo sasere simthola lapho iIO siza swe police station sabasiplanela ukuthi laba beza ngobugebengu sowabophisa ngiyabatshela mfethu mina le paper lengilishiye lapha ngibhala ukuthi nguduma thatha zonke selibhale duma thatha zonke subs sabalishintshile amaphoyisa sokuno subs sebuthiwe mina ngizolasiphoyisa umsebenzi ngavalela just like that.
You have so many cases every day ogijima ngazo Papati. I want you to paint a picture. Give us
bangena ishop bangena etavern bathenga market uphuma bayahamba futhi labantu babazobabulisa bafuthe njani ayishap but obvious abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani baphuma ngemoto ihamba. The following day kufika ama iIO bafethu man fika imoto so sifika sibone imoto le bafike bathenga utshwala labantu laba bebahamba ne-victim bayifaka ebhuthini show ukuthi babathatha ikhadi layo bayoswapha ngalo lentuzana
nizovusa izinto ezilele.
The following day one of our member mabuya endlini uhlakana nemoto phambana nemoto estradini hawu le moto akusiyo le mabafona babuza commander Duma imoto or commander bani diya man imoto kanjani boss masifika police station imoto tshontshe police station phakathi but the question is bayitshontshe kanjani siphi isikhiya esishiye le police station sambe nesikhiya leyo moto
le Ethiopia bathi style sakhona sifikile sila in the shores of South Africa bakidnapwa every day abantu and makafika umunye sebamnqamla imibhonsi omunye abaningi batholakala bangaphili.
Sometimes akhona amaphoyisa anokuboshwa nawo yenza lento leyo sometimes ama crime fighters akwenza lokho sometimes family members abakwenzayo lokho mfika I'm telling you kunabanye amaphoyisa athengisela ama drug dealers beza ngemoto bafike badindile ama drug dealers ama drugs. So how are we going to fight this crime if kunabantu abenza izinto ezimbi ngale ndlela leyo? Because I know ukuthi khona vele oshela ukuthi alojwala kabi khona amaphoyisa vele angifuneli ukuthi ngenze into ezi right, you know. So we having a challenge ngabantu aba-corrupt abangafuni ukusibona. By the way amaphoyisa asibisayo yilabo abenefitayo kuzo zonke lento lezi. Iphoyisa mali straight bakhona amaphoyisa straight avela sheda abantu makuso akwenza 1 2 3 not within us. I remember kuthatha zonke besinenye member le member lena masigijimisa igebengu ngoba usegroupini bakwazi ukubona I one day man sibone man kunento man yenzakalala awasicela sama sibophe member sayinikeza subs the very same members bathenga case kuba subs